Oh, look at that.
So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi, welcome to Katie Did. I'm Kate and this is my channel, and I am here with Brooks and Sherry from Virginia. And they are long-term supporters of the channel, and they are up here looking for rocks. So, let's see if we can find some. Look at all these rocks. Woohoo! Here with my son Tor, Wanderlust Adventures, and he found the first egg of the day.
Oh, that's nice.
You're a winner.
Indeed.
Huh. Well, it's kind of agate-y. Yeah, I'll call it my first agate of the day. It's not fantastic, but it's mine. Tor just brought me this cute little cup. I love it.
It really looks like it's a little light there.
I thought when I washed this off that it was petrified wood, but I think it's actually layered jasper. It's just got so many different colors. Very, very pretty. Whoop! Isn't that pretty? I'm no longer convinced it's a layered jasper just by looking at it. I think this is some kind of metamorphic rock. It has very definitely hard layers. It's gonna make a beautiful something, but it's not jasper. Wow, look at that. It's like a painting. So we're thinking probably this is some kind of petrified wood. Gosh, it's just so beautiful. Oh, not that side, because that side's dirty. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, look at that. It's a wood burl. Wow, that's so cool. We're cutting this wood burl, and I wanted to see what is inside of it, and I am not disappointed. Wow, that is so pretty. I'm going to cut some more slabs and see what else is in there. Slab number 2. I approve. I would like you to find something you want to keep too. There's some beautiful agatized wood. Really cool jasper. Ooh.
Way redder than
Look at how pretty that is.
Oh. Don't you jump on me.
Oh, that's really pretty.
It is.
Oh, there's the agatized
Oh, there's some
wood
green
around
in
it.
it.
Like, look at the, oh yeah. And look at the grain there. That's just beautiful. You're really great on the camera. What is it, Tor?
It's a yellow porcelainite rock.
Oh, the yellow is really pretty in that.
Yeah.
Tor is just learning about porcelainite.
I love it. It's like jasper, but less imposing.
Sometimes the wood around here is so agatized, it actually has the skin that you look for on regular agates. And Tor just found this piece. That is beautiful. When these are cut, they're just kind of golden color. Very pretty. Oh, he found another one. Just standing here.
And look at the color. Just like all those like oranges and blues and all that.
Nice. Wow, that is really pretty. Got to get a better setup for that. This is why I love agatized wood. Found this beautiful piece, which Tor says is a little too floaty, and he's already uncentered enough, so he doesn't need that in his life. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. This is actually an agate. It's so dark. I would never have thought so until I picked it up and held it to the light. That is pretty. Pretty oily. Oh, look at that.
The whorls there.
Yeah, that's very cool. And then that one?
Yeah, well, this is interesting. I mean, it's a piece of petrified wood, but I love the turquoise. What do people who know blue? Yeah, see?
Sky blue.
Sky blue. The blue on this petrified wood is actually really cool. I love that. Look at that.
Blobby.
Yeah, that
It's
is
a
cool.
blob. I've seen those before, but not with the
It's just so pronounced.
it's so worn away, the matrix. That's
Yeah.
very cool. We'll keep that one.
We will.
And I want Tor to get his shadow out of the way. Just found a little agate here. It's not very big, but it looks like it's got some really nice patterns in it. Keep that. Cool. I think I probably won't bring it along because it's a big, huge chunk, but it's got this really nice quartz pocket in the middle. I like that. Check this out. This is porcelainite, and it is yellow and green, and it goes into like maroon and red. It's just crazy. The colors on this stuff is just crazy. And you can see here, it's been chipped, so imagine an arrowhead or something made with this stuff. Very, very pretty. We've been pretty light on actual agates here, but I have found some really pretty kind of wannabes. This one, I just love the streaks in. I'm probably not going to bring these home just because I have so many beautiful rocks, but I just wanted to share it with you. This is an absolutely gorgeous piece of fossilized coral. Whoa, isn't that fun? That'll be good to cut to see what's inside. And this is that coral. I was a little bit disappointed with what was inside of that. I think this one is better kept as a specimen from the outside. You can see a little bit of the chainy look there. Got another slice here. Whoop, up there, bubbles. Anyway, it's kind of cool, but ooh, that's nice though. I like that. It's kind of cool, but not really all that useful as far as making something out of it. Hey Tor, look at this jasper.
Oh, that's cool.
Is it not your style? I think it's really pretty.
What's the phenomenon of one cast?
Well, it's actually formed in a volcanic pocket that has, like, there's a tree limb and the lava flows over it and it burns out the tree limb and leaves the whole tree-shaped hole, and that's
Exactly.
what that
That's
was.
cool.
Yeah, that's a lot, Jim. Yeah. Oh yeah.
And I just found this pretty piece of jasper that Tor is giving a, you know,
That's what I'm looking for, but it's huge.
it's got some cool fortifications in here. Yeah, I'm gonna take that along. Look at that. That's crazy
cool.
how agate that is.
Yeah.
Like the color, turn it over. Ah,
It's definitely better on the other side though.
okay. Tor the rock judge.
Yeah. That's just awesome.
It just caught my eye out the corner.
Brooks just found this incredible piece of agatized wood, and he's not even collecting it. So he gave it to Tor, which is awesome. Yeah, it is.
That,
The color variation.
I love that.
I've got a lot. That's beautiful.
That
That's
is
amazing.
really nice, Tor. That's the agate itself probably isn't actually, like, if you took it out of there, it wouldn't be blue, I think, because of something called the, what is it, the Tellman effect or something like that, that causes things to look blue when they're encased in other things. But
Well, thank you,
you gotta
Tellman effect.
keep it that way. And Kava found an agate for me. She just was, I called her over and just her foot hit it just as she came in. She's pretty good at that. Look how caramely that is. So I picked this up because it kind of has like the agate skin, and
This is such a big bird. Is it a heron?
I think it's actually a, no, it's not a bird.
That is absolutely a
That
bird.
is not a bird. That is a sturgeon skull.
Oh, yeah, I can buy that. It's very bird-like.
Anyway, yeah, I found a full sturgeon skeleton the other day. So they're big and weird. Anyway, I picked this up because I thought it was an agate, and it wasn't, but then I turned it over here and it's got these just really cool agate lines in it, so gotta take it home. Katie Did Rocks is celebrating its 3rd anniversary. Can you imagine 3 years of collecting rocks on the Yellowstone River and filming them for you? In order to celebrate this occasion, I have added a number of new things to my Etsy store. As you can imagine, going rock hunting every week for 3 years has netted me an awful lot of rocks, and I finally decided it's time to clean house just a little bit. So now I'm offering agates and petrified wood by the pound on my Etsy store. If you want big rocks, let me know. If you're looking for fist size or smaller, those will be available as well. I'm also including some mystery boxes of slabs. I have many slabs, more than I can use, so we are going to go ahead and make them available to you. So thank you all very much for all your support over the last 3 years, and I look forward to the next. Thanks much. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing! Oh, we're gonna try that again. All right, Tor, you get in front. All right. No, come on, don't be difficult. All right, let's see.
There it is.
This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing! Oh no, we're gonna do it again.
Are we?
Okay, this is Kate from Katie Did.
Keep on.
No. All right, this is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on